Hiya, today's video is about the 6 shooting modes on the Zhiyun or Zhiyun Weebill S and what it actually looks like when you're in each mode, so you'll know what to do with them. Hi, I'm called Adrian. If you're new, welcome. I make videos about the Zhiyun or Zhiyun Weebill S and the Canon M50. I also make videos about alternative, natural, safe and effective ways to maintain and improve your mental and physical health and well-being. If you haven't already subscribed, please click the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon so that YouTube can keep you notified when we release new content.
Pan follow, that is where the tilt axis, so that axis, and the roll axis, that axis, are locked, but the pan axis isn't locked, and that shows PF on the display. The slide is to the top. You can use this in a variety of ways, whether you want to pan across, for example, a landscape or a scene, or alternatively you can pan around an object, so you can have an object there and rotate around it, which creates a really interesting parallax effect. So lock mode, you slide the slider down, it displays L on the display, and that locks all 3 axes. So tilt is locked, roll is locked, and pan is locked. And that's a really great way of following objects, because wherever you go, the camera is pointing into the same place. You can use the joystick to position the camera, and as before, 2 clicks on the trigger to reset it. POV, point of view mode, click on the POV button, and now whichever plane you move in, the camera tilts. I'll show you from here. Get some really interesting effects with that. To get back to pan follow, the easiest to slide down the PF and L button, slide it down and up. Now the follow mode, which follows pan and follows tilt, but doesn't follow roll, you press and hold the button on the front. You can of course lock that off as before, press and hold it and press the LV button 3 times. And now you can release the trigger, and that's locked in place. Press 3 times on the LV to unlock it. The fast mode, it says function FN, you press that, the camera responds very quickly to movements. And I presume you would use that to film fast moving objects or do some very quick transitions. Selfie mode. So, press the POV button 3 times. And 3 times again to revert to normal mode. Vortex mode. You could do some really cool things with this. Press the POV button twice, and the camera will point straight up. And then you film horizontally. Use the joystick left and right to rotate the camera. And then I normally slide the PF lock button up and down once to reset it.
So I hope you found that helpful. In the comments below, let me know how you get on and give me any ideas for what you'd like to see in other videos, and I'll see what I can do for you. If you haven't already subscribed, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon so that YouTube can keep you notified when I release new content. Give me the thumbs up if you like the video, give me the thumbs down if you didn't like the video. And I'll see you in the next video. See ya!